Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of trading basics. In this video, I am going to show you how can you access advanced feature into your Coinbase application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browsers and open Coinbase into there. I'm using my Brave browser into here, and after opening the browser, just simply open the site of Coinbase into there and log in your account. After opening your account, you just simply have to tap into your profile icon into the top right corner. From there, you will get the option of Coinbase and Advanced Coinbase option. Just simply click into Advanced option and you can easily get access of Advanced Coinbase by following these very easy steps. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update in the future. Thank you for watching the video.